In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Magic Design in Canva in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to save time and create stunning designs effortlessly, then this quick guide is just for you. Let's dive right in and explore how you can leverage Canva's Magic Design feature efficiently. First, you'll want to head over to canva.com. Once you're there, find the login button located at the upper right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to sign in using your credentials. You've got a few options here. You can log in using Google, Facebook, or simply with your email address. Choose whatever is most convenient for you and proceed with signing into your Canva account. Once you're all logged in, it's time to start working on a new project. Begin by opening a blank project. This will serve as your canvas, the starting point where all your creative magic will begin to unfold. Now take a look at the sidebar on your workspace and you'll see the design option. Click on that and you'll be prompted to either enter a prompt directly or upload some media. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for what your design will eventually become. Think about what you want to create and decide whether typing it out or starting with a piece of media works better for your idea. In the search bar provided, describe your design concept. For instance, if you're aiming to develop a social media post for a coffee shop, you type something like social media post for a coffee shop. Alternatively, if you're working on a presentation, perhaps try something like presentation on sustainable living. Being specific here will help Canva generate more tailored suggestions. Next, you'll notice that Magic Design offers you a selection of templates based on the description you provided. This is where the magic truly happens. Go through the suggested templates and see which ones catch your eye. Bear in mind that these are just starting points, so don't worry if they're not perfect right away. Now that you've picked out a template that looks promising, it's time to make it your own. Customize it by tweaking various elements. You're free to edit the text, change the colors to match your desired palette, swap out images, and play around with the different design components until it aligns with your vision. To make your design even more personalized, incorporate your brand styles and dive into Canva's array of AI tools like the Magic Eraser or Magic Edit to refine your project further. These features allow you to make sleek adjustments with ease, ensuring your design is polished and professional. And that's it, you now have a beautifully designed project ready to share with the world, all thanks to Canva's Magic Design feature. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has empowered you to create with confidence and creativity. Happy designing!